Well, I made it back home. Oh, that was a rough couple of days, that. Morning guys, so this week we're going to be laying some Indian stone. So we're just, this is the first bit, there's two sections. This is the first bit, we're going to just dig it off so we can get some hardcore in. And then we're going to keep this concrete in because it'd be nice to bed on. So we're going to prepare this first, get it dug out, and then we'll move on to the next one. That drain I'm going to have to hire at some point as well. So let's crack on.
Get involved in the show today. Line number 6313 on the text line. This will be the word hit.
Up to £1,500 within 24 hours after claim check. 8 PM to 6 PM, Monday to Friday, except bank holidays.
So we're now on with the other bit that needs doing. The other bit's just behind that shed. And we're just going to follow this step in and then curve it round so it'll be like steps and it's having a bench on it. So it'll just follow that round then. Well, this is a fire pit we did last year, look. It looks a bit rough in winter, but it's really nice in summer. If you want to check that video out, I'll put it up top for you. But yeah, so we're just going to level this out, get these roots out, and then we'll get some hardcore in here. So we've got hardcore in here, tents up because it's absolutely chucking it down, but look, it's just, we can't whack this, it's just really bad. So what we're going to do is, we're going to get some cement in, we're basically just going to mix the whole lot in with cement, so we'll get shovels out and we'll just go through it all, and then have a concrete base. That's the only thing we can do, I think, because it's going to rain for the next few days, so you get plenty of cement on, mix it in like concrete, and then it should be fine. So we've got cement on it, it's a lot better now, so I think we can whack it at this. So I'm on my way now and I'm going to pick a whacker up, and then my mate can do the other side, get some cement on that, give it a whack, we should be good to go for flagging then. My God, just nearly fell on my bum there. Well, we've got it done, we've just had to, there we go, look. We've basically just pulled it backwards and it didn't sink in then. So hopefully it'll all, it's stopped raining now, so hopefully if it stops raining today it should dry out, and it'll probably set solid with all that cement in. So that's it, look, pretty flat now. So we've just got other to do, and then we'll get some flagging done tomorrow when flags turn up. So it's next day, we've got a couple of flags have turned up. There's a load around other side of here. We've got mix on, and this floor is quite hard now. It's all set. A couple of puddles on it, looks so it's letting water in, so it's set pretty solid. So we can lay a few tents back up because it's raining again. But I think it's going to rain all day. Then we might have a couple of clear days tomorrow and next day, hopefully. Right, let's crack on. I think we need a bit more on the last one. Yeah. A little bit more on. Plenty on. Plenty on. Oh my god, this rain's coming down now. We're going to get a big avalanche up top of this, coming off this tent,
Oh yeah.
down the back.
Yeah, look at the size of that, mate. That needs coming off, that needs coming off, mate.
Well, that one's on.
Prosecutions
You make sure if you haven't made these before, you need full beds under them. Otherwise, they'll show in summer when they start drying out. If you've got on top of them, you just end up with like patches where they dry out. So if you haven't done them before, you need to be making sure you've got some full beds under them. You better have some full beds anyway because it's quite thin.
What are called executive actions in place. They'll reverse his predecessor's policies on immigration, climate change and the handling of COVID. In a final speech last night, Donald Trump remained defiant.
I stand before you truly proud of what we have achieved together. We did what we came here to do.
Netflix has hinted we could see more Bridgerton in the future as it promises exciting news about the series later this week. It comes as the streaming service attracted a record number of new subscribers.
So we've got these down, they're looking pretty snazzy, and the only problem is we've got flood warnings tonight. So it's going to, rain stopped at the minute, but it's pretty much going to start again soon. And these lot here have had flood warnings, so I'm hoping it ain't underwater tomorrow, but I'm guessing we'll find out. And the road next to me is shut, so I'm going to have to go a long way around, which is going to be a nightmare. I mean, that's how much water there is. It's like a pond again. And it's filling up and filling up. So hopefully it's got to go pretty high. But there's a river at back of there, back of them houses there, not far. And I think it could break banks, so it's not good. But hopefully it won't. But I reckon it's going to be more tomorrow night if when water comes down. So it's usually a day after up here when water starts coming over banks. But hopefully it'll be alright. But it's just started raining again. So we're probably gonna tidy up a bit because it's a bit messy here, and then we'll try and get home, and then hopefully see what it's like tomorrow. Pond.
No.
Oh, this is a big one. Fast or slow? I don't know. Oh god. Ah, I can't see. Well, I made it back home. Oh, that were a rough couple of days, that. God knows what it's going to be like tomorrow. So, well, I suppose we'll see when we get up in the morning and have a look. Just hope it isn't flooded. And we can actually do some work. It's supposed to not be raining, but it's going to rain all night. So, whether banks will burst, we don't know. So, we'll find out in the morning. Right, that's it for this one. I'll see you later.